Hello guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Kid Troy. We got a special treat for you. It's the 4th of July edition, so let's get started. Hey guys, guess who's here today? My dad.
Hey guys, how are you? So in this edition, this is a time for families to come together, celebrate the birth of America, and let's get in the kitchen and have some fun. We're gonna be doing grilled steak, roasted corn, and grilled asparagus. Sounds good? Come on, let's go.
So first we're gonna roast the corn.
All right, so grab the corn and we have to do what's called shuck it. This has the hull on the corn. A lot of people see this in the store, right? Well, Daddy's gonna peel this. So now what I'm doing is shucking the corn. This is called the silk. Pull the husk off, set it to the side, break that off, get all this up. Look at that.
And there you see the corn.
All right, Troy, you wanna do the other one?
Sure.
Look at Troy work. Shucking that corn, shucking that corn. Let's pull the silk. There you go. And there's the corn.
So now we're going to season in corn and put it in the oven. First I'm going to pour the butter. And then I'm going to add some seasoning.
Hey, you did a good job shucking that corn too, buddy.
So now let's put the corn in the oven for about 30 or 45 minutes. So the oven's at 450.
Now we set the timer about 40 minutes.
So now that the corn is cooking in the oven, we can do the asparagus and prep the steak.
So for the asparagus, we're gonna pull these rubber bands off, or the bottom one anyway, and we're gonna cut the base of the asparagus about 2 inches. Just set those off to the side. This is called blanching. We're gonna take this asparagus and put it in some simmering water. I'm not gonna do this much asparagus. Maybe I'll do about half. So now we're gonna blanch the asparagus.
Now we're going to season in the steak. So now we got this side done. Let's do on the other side. So we don't overcook the asparagus, let's put it in the ice bath. So now that our meat is prepped, let's put it by the grill. Since the oven is hot, my dad is gonna rotate the corn. Hey guys, here's the induction cooker. Dad, can you tell me what this is?
Sure, Troy. Hey everyone, this is an induction cooker. This thing gets super hot. We'll start at 375, so you can grill. We've got the cast iron griddle here, and you can grill indoors with it. So this is gonna get to 375, and we're gonna grill our steak on the induction cooker and also the asparagus. This thing's neat. Only about 80 bucks I think it cost me. So with this induction cooker, what's so cool about it is it's even safe for kids. Once this thing gets 375, this griddle here will get extremely hot. But once I take it off, watch this. It cuts off. And it's cool to the touch. So, if I touch this, the heating element inside of here isn't working. See? There's an error. It takes this you clear it, set it again, press start, and it get hot in about a minute.
Since this induction cooktop is hot, my dad's gonna do this part. So now that the meat is cooked, let's flip it over. So now we're going to turn the meat and add the asparagus. Use adult supervision.
There you go. Now we season the asparagus right here with the same seasoning and spices as the meat. We'll get that asparagus and steak and it all come off the grill at the same time. The corn is ready. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. And this is our 4th of July celebration dinner. Stuck in the house for COVID-19. So we hope you enjoy. We got grilled steak, grilled asparagus, and roasted corn with some Parmesan cheese. We thoroughly enjoy making these dishes for you guys. We have so much fun, but this looks like a lot of food. We're gonna eat, right? You ready to eat?
Yes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye! Let's eat, man. You hungry?
Yeah.